Today I went to Ulta Beauty and I got some makeup, so I'm going to be doing a full face of first impressions videos for you guys. What that means is I'm going to like try on the makeup for the first time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see what I got from Ulta and how I like them, then keep watching. We're going to start off with some primer. I got the Benefit Pore-fessional primer. This is a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. This color is called Translucent and it was $31. Oh wait. I should probably moisturize my face first, huh? I have to do that real quick. Now we're going to use the primer. It looks like peanut butter. This is how it looks. I can tell it's like pretty thick. Yeah. Oh wow. That feels weird. It smells pretty good. It just feels like it went away. It kind of feels like gel on my face, but it felt like it went away. So I'm just gonna apply a little more. For the eyes, I'm just gonna brush out my brows real quick. I was gonna get something for my brows at Ulta, but I don't like do my brows anyways, so it's like, I don't need it. I found this rubber band, so I'm just gonna tie my hair. Where is it? I still have everything in the bag. Oh, here it is. Okay, the only thing I got for eyeshadow is this e.l.f. e.l.f. metallic liquid eyeshadow in liquid gold. I'm going to oh my gosh. So this packaging is really cute. This is a part of their Aqua collection and it is $4. Since this is the only thing I got for eyeshadow, I'm gonna put like some transition colors and some like browns in my crease real quick, and then I'll put this on my lid. I am back. It looks like really orange for some reason. I thought I put browns in my crease, but I guess it's orange. Anyways, oh shoot, will this go with this? Whatever. We're gonna put this on our lid. The wand, or like, what is this called? Like a dofa applicator? I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna put this on with the wand. So I'm just gonna go like this. Oh my god! That's beautiful. I was not expecting that. Dang, it's like really pretty. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna mess up on this eye. I really like it. Oh, whoops. I put too much. Oh no, oh no. I told you, I'm gonna ruin this eye. Okay, that's good enough. Guys, I was not expecting that at all. I'm really happy with it, so I like this product. It's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this to dry, but while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to tell you about this product. I got the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and I got a little mini sample of the Too Faced Better Than mascara. I'm going to use this one because I bought this one and I wanted to try this one, but I'll probably try this one like in a later tutorial or something. I heard that these are dupes, so I have both. I'm just kidding. This mascara was $9.99. I think these are dry. Yeah, it's still a little wet. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not bad, not bad. Good, we're good. Okay, this is how the wand looks like. I'm very excited. Holy cow. Dang. I would definitely describe this as voluminous. I really like this as well. On my recent makeup tutorial, the natural one, I asked if you guys like the voiceover or me talking to you guys. Almost everyone said talking, so I'm talking. Dang, it like lengthens and gives you width. Width. Alright, I'm gonna put on my bottom lashes. No, yeah, I'm not sure yet. I don't know. Okay, fine, whatever, I'm doing it. I'm in love with this mascara. Look at my eyeballs. I look like I have spider legs on my eyes. Face now? For foundation, I got the Too Faced Born This Way Luminous Oil-Free Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. I'm so excited. I got the color Sand. Look how beautiful this is. This was $39. It has a pump, and fun fact, I've never had a foundation with a pump before. Yeah, this packaging gives me life. Okay, so, oh dang it. I got a Real Technique sponge. This is the Miracle Complexion sponge, but I have to dry it. No, oh my gosh. I have to damp it. It was $5.99. It expanded a lot. Like, it's so big. I think I'm gonna like this. Anyways, I'm just gonna put some of this on the back of my hand. Oh, I'm gonna take this side of the sponge, like this pointy side, and like pinch it a little bit. I'm so excited. Take it on a sponge, pat it on my face. Okay. Yeah, I really like this sponge, but I already know it. So far, pretty good. This is marketed as a medium to full coverage foundation, and I agree. Can kind of see skin peeking through, but like not as much as a light coverage foundation would. I agree with the marketing. So I ended up using the full pump for this side. I think next time I'll probably put the foundation on my finger and then like do swipes on my face, if that makes sense. Probably not, but yeah. Do you hear the sponge? I don't know if you hear that. Oh, it's funny. Okay, I love this. I swatched a lot of colors of this foundation in the store today because, you know, I really wanted it to match me, obviously. And it was like on my neck, my hand, my arm. It was like everywhere because I really wanted the right color. And I'm pretty sure that this one is good for me. Okay, you guys have to hear this. It's so funny. I think we are good on foundation. I like this. I got two concealers. First, I got Tarte Shape Tape. Yay. I know I'm kind of like late on the bandwagon for Tarte Shape Tape, but hey, I got it. I picked out the color Light Medium Honey, and Tarte Shape Tape was $27. And then I also got the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, but I think it's too dark, sadly. But this one was like $4.99, I'm pretty sure. If you don't know, Tarte Shape Tape has like a huge dofa. Is that what it's called? I'm pretty sure it's not. Like the applicator is huge, as you can see. Like it's bigger than my eye. And this is a very full coverage concealer as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is like meant for like contouring and highlighting, I'm pretty sure. It's a contour concealer, but I'm just gonna use it as concealer. Should I put it on my... No. So now we're going to blend with the same sponge, and then I'm gonna use like... No, I'm gonna use like the other pointy side. This is full coverage. JK, I'm just gonna use this side. It's so full coverage, oh my gosh. It definitely highlighted and concealed my under eyes. For powder, whoa. This is the e.l.f. finishing powder. I got the color Light Medium. There's also like Fair Light, Medium Dark, and then Dark Deep. It looks like this. It was only $6. And then it comes with a mirror and this pad. I love this packaging. Like, it's so pretty. Like, if you don't have a mirror, you can just use the packaging. There's you guys. I'm just gonna set my whole face. Ooh, kind of gave me a little more coverage. I like this. Is this a setting powder or a foundation powder? It just says finishing powder, but I feel like it's a foundation powder because it's like, it's giving me even more coverage and still setting the face. We're going to bronze the face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I got the color just bronzer. I know there's a light bronzer, a bronze, or like a tropical kind of color bronzer, and then a deep bronzer. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I haven't even opened it yet, and it smells amazing. This was $14.99. It smells so good. I love this packaging, oh my gosh. How do you use this? This smells so good. But I could see if you don't like scents in your makeup, you probably wouldn't like this. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm enjoying like everything. This makes me so happy. Hello. Not only does it smell amazing, but it goes onto your skin amazing. I'm living. I'm just gonna blend it real quick. I do not have a new blush or bronzer, but I wanted to show you guys what I've been using lately. This is the Lancome Blush Subtle Duo, and it comes with the colors Aplum, this color, and Perfect Pink. So I've been using Aplum as this really pretty like mauve blush, and then I've been using this color as a highlighter, and it is so pretty. Let me show you guys. The blush is super pretty. It's not that pigmented, so you might have to layer. So yeah, that's the blush. Like, see, it's just like so natural and pretty. Now I'm going to show you guys the highlighter. I just use my fingers because it works so good. I'm just gonna take it and just pat it where I would usually highlight with a normal pressed highlighter, and then I just like blend it out with my finger as well. The last new product I got, I didn't get from Ulta. It is very new and I'm still like testing it out. It is the Urban Decay Vice like metal versus matte lipstick palette. My Aunt Tammy actually got this for me, so thank you so much, Aunt Tammy. It just comes with 12 lipsticks, and then it comes with this really cool brush. Like, you just go like this. I have like tested this out already, but not all of the colors. I'm going to take Tame, which is just like this really like subtle nude. It doesn't stay on the longest, but I mean, like, girl, you have this whole palette. You might have to reapply it throughout the day. In my opinion, if you're like a makeup artist, this is really good for you, because if you do a lot of people's makeup, this is really hard while talking while putting this on. I should stop. Okay, but if you do like a lot of people's makeup, then this is like really easy for you because you can find a shade for that specific person. Okay, so this is like a little too pinky for the look, but I mean, let's just go along with it. That was all of the makeup that I got. I'm just gonna spray my face with some Pixi makeup setting mist real quick. Makeup fixing mist, sorry. I feel like I have to do that every time. That was the finished video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah.